In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image in Mailchimp step by step, so you can place pictures into your email campaigns quickly and make your designs look more professional. Whether you want to add a product photo, a banner, a logo, or a promotional graphic, this walkthrough will help you do it without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign into your account using your email address and password. If you manage more than one account or workspace, make sure you're in the right one before moving forward, because you want to edit the correct campaign from the start. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored. Now locate the email campaign where you want to add your image. If you already started a draft, find that campaign and click Edit to open it. This will take you into the campaign details so you can continue working on the email. On the campaign overview page, look for the option that says Edit Design. Click that and Mailchimp will open the email editor. This is the main workspace where you can build and customize your email content, move blocks around, and add media like images, buttons, text, and more. Now that you're inside the editor, look at the left-hand sidebar for the Image Content block. This is the block you need to insert an image into your email. Click and drag the image block into the email at the exact spot where you want the image to appear. You can place it above text, below a heading, between sections, or anywhere else that fits your layout. Mailchimp makes this very visual, so just drop the block where it makes the most sense for your message. Once the image block is in place, click Add inside the block. Mailchimp will give you a few different options here. If the image is on your computer, choose Upload Image. If you already uploaded it before, you can select Browse Images to pick it from your Mailchimp library. And if you use Canva, you can choose Canva to bring in a design directly from your Canva account. This is really useful if you already create marketing graphics in Canva and want to move faster. If you're uploading a brand new image, choose the file from your computer and click Open. Mailchimp will begin uploading it for you. Just wait a few seconds for the upload to finish, and once it's ready, the image will appear in your email block. At this point, you can click on the image to select it and start customizing it. Next, use the Settings panel to fine-tune the way your image looks inside the email. You can adjust image alignment so it sits left, center, or right, depending on your design. You can also change image size if it looks too large or too small. If you want more breathing room around the image, adjust spacing and padding. You can also update styles and visibility settings if needed, especially if you want the image to appear differently on desktop and mobile. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your email looks. Take a moment to make sure the image fits naturally with the rest of your layout. If your email has a clean, minimal style, keep the image simple and aligned. If it's a promotional email, make sure the image stands out and supports your message clearly. A well-placed image can help improve engagement and make your email more visually appealing. Before you send the campaign, it's always a smart idea to preview it. Click Send Test to send yourself a test email. This lets you see how the image appears in your inbox and helps you check whether it displays correctly across different email clients. Sometimes images can look slightly different in Gmail, Outlook, or mobile devices, so testing is an important final step. Once you're happy with the image placement and appearance, click Save and Exit to keep your changes. That's it. Your image has now been added to your Mailchimp email campaign. You can go back later and make more edits if needed, or continue building out the rest of your email. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.